Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the research agent in Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so we're in Microsoft Copilot now, and we have a new chat opened here. And by default, you'll see it says over here in the text box, quick response, okay? And if you click on that, it'll give you a bunch of models that you can actually use. So this is best for everyday type conversation. But there are two options that you will use if you want some deep thinking and some deep research. And on top of that, if you want Microsoft Copilot to use your data, it will do that as well. So the first thing is the think deeper option. This is better for more complex topics. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to use this one. Now I've got a prompt over here. So this is a problem that I need solved. And here we are going to send this prompt. Now, as you can see, first of all, it says thinking, planning out strategy, and you can see it's now starting to actually respond. And it's relatively quick. It's really, really good. Now, if you go to the top and you see there is a See My Thinking button, you can actually see over here what it is thinking and how it is reasoning. So you can actually see what it's doing and how it's getting to the answer that it's giving you. And, you know, if you are using this and you have the Microsoft 365 suite, you can now implement all of your own data. So it'll take all of your company data, all of your emails, your calendar. It'll take all of your information, all of your data, and it'll actually use this data when reasoning. Now, there is another option. I've opened another tab here, and again, from this drop-down menu, you can use the Smart GPT-5. So this thinks deeply or quickly based on the task. Okay, so let's use the very same prompt. Let's hit enter. You can see again, this is my detailed prompt, and it has a See My Thinking. And if you click on that, you'll see what it's thinking in real time. So right now it's organizing its thoughts and it's creating a plan. And if you go down over here, you'll see it has now responded with a detailed answer.